Welcome to our planet, teeming with life in all its forms, from the smallest insects to the largest whales. Amongst this breathtaking diversity, there exist creatures of extraordinary power and danger. Today, we explore the top 10 most dangerous animals on Earth. These animals possess remarkable adaptations that make them formidable hunters and a threat to predators. Join me as we delve into the lives of these fascinating creatures and understand their danger. Lurking in the shallow waters of the Indo-Pacific, the box jellyfish is a silent hunter. Within its delicate tentacles lie millions of nematocysts, microscopic harpoons loaded with venom so potent it can cause paralysis and heart failure within minutes. Its venom attacks the heart and nervous system, leading to excruciating pain and rapid organ shutdown. In the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, the king cobra reigns supreme. The longest venomous snake in the world, it can reach over 18 feet and delivers a massive dose of neurotoxin. The venom targets the nervous system, causing paralysis and death. Across the African savanna, fear follows the black mamba. Named for the black lining of its mouth, this venomous snake is lightning fast and agile. A black mamba bite delivers neurotoxins and cardiotoxins, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. In the murky depths of Southeast Asia and Australia, lurks a relic of the dinosaur age, the saltwater crocodile. This prehistoric predator is the largest living reptile, with bone-crushing jaws and the strongest bite force ever recorded. Its hunting strategy blends stealth and brute force, making it an apex predator of its domain. Hidden amongst the coral reefs of the Indo-Pacific, the stonefish is a master of disguise. Its dorsal spines, sharp as needles, are laced with venom so potent it can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death. Its perfect camouflage makes it nearly invisible to prey, turning a stroll across the seabed into a deadly encounter. In the rainforests of South America, the Brazilian wandering spider roams the forest floor, a creature of both beauty and danger. Unlike other spiders that build webs, this nomad actively hunts its prey, injecting a potent neurotoxin with its fangs. Its wandering habits and tendency to seek shelter in dark places make encounters with humans a real possibility. Inland taipan, the venomous paradox. In the arid heart of Australia, the inland taipan is the world's most venomous snake. Its venom, a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, can kill 100 humans with a single bite. Despite its deadly arsenal, the inland taipan is shy and reclusive, rarely encountering humans. Pufferfish, a delicate balance of death and delicacy. Floating through the warm waters of the Pacific, the pufferfish appears comical and clumsy. But this seemingly harmless creature harbors a deadly secret: tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin more poisonous than cyanide. In Japan, the pufferfish, or fugu, is a delicacy, prepared by chefs who meticulously remove the poisonous organs. Blue-ringed octopus, small but mighty. Don't be fooled by its size. The blue-ringed octopus, found in tidal pools of Australia and Southeast Asia, is extraordinarily beautiful and dangerous. Despite its small size, this octopus carries venom to kill 26 adult humans within minutes. Its bright colors serve as a stark warning to predators, a reminder that small creatures can pack a deadly punch. Cone snail, a toxic harpoon. On the ocean floor, a silent hunter lies in wait, the cone snail. This creature has a harpoon-like tooth delivering conotoxins, some of the most potent neurotoxins known to science. The venom is fast-acting and can be fatal to humans, disrupting nerve impulses and causing paralysis. Respecting nature's power. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, our journey through the top 10 most dangerous animals reveals nature's power. These creatures, while deadly, play a vital role in their ecosystems, reminding us of the balance that sustains life. Let's appreciate these creatures from a distance and respect their role in the web of life. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 10 most dangerous animals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.